How to download and install plugins. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video. Just go to File tab and click on Plugins. In the Installed Plugins tab, you can see a list of installed plugins. Go to Get Plugins tab, and here you can see a list of plugins you can search through, download and use. For example, select the Reverse Text plugin and then click on Download button. And once it's done, you can see it is added to Installed Plugins, and on the right side of the plugin it says that we can use this plugin from Tools tab in the program. Now to use the plugin, just go to Tools and click on Reverse Text. Select the lines you want to reverse and click OK. And this is how we can download and use plugins in Subtitle Edit. To remove the plugin, just go to File, Plugins. Select the plugin and click on Remove button. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.